Concert-goers surprised at how SB19 made Philippine Arena concert less hassle and less chaotic. Philippine Arena is the largest indoor arena in the country and the most hassle to go to. In fact, many concert-goers would opt out because of how stressful it usually is. But in SB19's Simula at Wakas concert in the Philippine Arena, many concert-goers are surprised with it being less hassle, less stress, and less chaotic. And this is all thanks to SB19 and 1Z Entertainment, making sure that the process and transactions are smooth for the comfort of concert-goers. In fact, they have spent extra money and hired extra people for this. One concert-goer posted a review on Reddit and said, "I witnessed almost all historic concerts in the Philippines like Olivia, Ed Sheeran, Coldplay, and more. I've seen how Live Nation handled it. I thought that's the way it is. I thought it's normal for a crowded event to be chaotic and stressful, but SB19 concert made me realize you can attend a full show without getting stressed. Everything was smooth, though it was very crowded. Honestly, it surprised me when I arrived. It's the most attended concert I've ever been. I heard the SB19 personally added personnel for the smooth flow. I don't need to fall in line. There were a lot of counters for the ticket verification. There's a free water in and outside the arena. Everyone was VIP treated. I went home before midnight since the concert started early. That's a 2 thumbs up for me. About the concert, it was magical. I was hesitant to go at first, but I was thinking that this is a history breaker I need to witness. It didn't disappoint me. I can rank it as the best concert experience in the Philippines. This group should be the concert blueprint of all the artists in the Philippines. The quality should be raised, not the price." Another replied, "Same, I wasn't even a fan, pero laking respeto ko talaga sa kanila after. Now nakikinig na ako sa mga kanta nila. Ang galing ng concert, manonood ulit. Di na kasing stressful noong Born Pink noon. Kaya sige, pwede nang manood sa Philippine Arena uli." 1Z is really setting a good standard in the Philippine entertainment industry. Siguro kaya tayo nagugulat ngayon kasi nasanay tayo na mahirapan sa sistema from ticket selling pa lang to the con itself. Pero with what 1Z is doing now, they are easing the burden of the concert goers. Pwede naman pala. Kaya naman pala na mas excellent yung ibigay sa atin. Saludo talaga sa values na meron sila. Sana padamihin at payamanin pa sila ni Lord. Now to read the full post and replies, the link is pinned in the comment section.